We're going to have a look at the Simpsons Rule, which is a rule that we use when we're finding the area of an irregular shape. So it's slightly different to the trapezoidal rule, only in terms of the formula that we use. So this one uses a third of the width, so W standing for width, multiplied by the first line plus 4 times the second line plus 2 times the third, 4 times that, 2 times. What you'll see is that alternates between 4 and 2. So a third of the width multiplied by the first plus 4 of the second, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, right up until we get to the last one where it's just plus the last line. So again, we'll look at another example, but it's that pattern that you need to remember. You'll see that it says we must have an even number of strips. So we must have an even being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Doesn't always have to be that way. It's more accurate if we do have an even number, but it still can be used if there's an odd number. So let's have a go at one. So again, same question as what we've seen before with the trapezoidal rule, but we've got to use the Simpsons rule. So the area is equivalent to a third of the width, which we know is 10, bracket. So the first 3.8 plus 4 times the second, which is 20.4, plus 2 times 24.3 plus 4 times 21.6 plus the last. So again, it's that alternating 4, 2, 4, and if we had more lines, it'd go back to 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. So it's that pattern that we need to look for. You pop that into your calculator and you'll find that is 756.33 meters squared. So again, if you compare it back to the solution we got with the trapezoidal rule, it's slightly out. That's because it's approximately equal to. Hopefully, you know, the more lines we have, the more accurate it's going to be. Good luck.